I'm about to have 5,000 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot compared to some of those big channels, but from just having a little GoPro and posting videos online, I think 5,000 subscribers is a pretty good accomplishment. Like, I haven't done a whole lot of interactive communication with my subscribers. I've been trying to comment here and there on videos, trying to keep up with everyone. So I want to do something where there's maybe a chance to meet some of you, or for someone to win something or something like that. So I want to do something that you guys want. I was going to do a like giveaway of some kind of fishing product, like a pen fishing reel, or just something that interests fishing people. A fishing pole would be hard to ship if somebody wins it that doesn't live in Florida, because I know a lot of my subscribers aren't even local. So I wanted to do something to where I could ship it if I needed to. The other option would be maybe just a fishing trip with me. I know I'm not the best fisherman in the world, but I know there's a lot of people out there that don't know a lot about fishing, or they fish our area with little luck. And you know, maybe you guys wanted to meet me and go fishing or something like that. But what I want to do is some sort of poll on the comments in this video. I want to know from you guys what you guys think, whether we should do a giveaway of a fishing reel of some sort, maybe like a pen. Most people like pens, or a Daiwa, like something that's like $100 reel or something like that. Because you guys are funding my channel from watching, so I'd want to give something back to you guys. So if you guys could comment below if you want a giveaway of a fishing product, like a reel, or if you want a chance to win a trip with me. I want everyone to comment below what you want me to do, and I'll go through the comments and I'll count them and see which is going to win, and then I'll make another video of what I decided what we're going to do for the giveaway. And then in that video, I'm going to need everyone to comment either with your name that you want me to call you by, and hopefully you have a way I can contact you. I can go on your YouTube page and I can message you on your YouTube page, but it'd be helpful for me if you use your real name of some sort, and I'll get you the prize and we'll figure something out. But in this video, I just need to figure out what I'm going to do. If I'm going to do a fishing trip with me, which I don't mind, or to do a giveaway. Either one works for me. I just want to know what you guys want. So it would be very helpful for you guys to give me your honest opinion, what you would like to see, whether you want a fishing trip or a fishing reel. And then that'll help me be more interactive with you guys. And now that I've reached the 5,000 subscribers now, I'm gonna do a much bigger giveaway if I hit 10,000 subscribers. That'd be a pretty big accomplishment to hit 10,000 subscribers. That's been my goal from day one. It'd be a good feeling to see that videos like this are working. So if you could share with your friends, just say, hey, check this guy out, he's giving away free stuff. Or if you already like my channel, you know, and recommend it to another friend, or whatever you want to do. It would help grow my channel, and it'd make it possible to do more videos like this and do more giveaways. I would like to do more videos of this nature coming forward. In the last couple weeks, I'm trying to work on doing more explanation and trying to talk about techniques of what we do while we're on the water. I would like to do more explaining of where we go and what we do, and it is helpful when you guys make comments. Like for a while there, everyone was saying how bad my audio was, and then I've came to realize with my new camera that the audio has improved a lot. And just comments, the comments that you guys are leaving are helping me make a better channel. So I appreciate you guys for that, and I would like to do something for you guys. by doing this giveaway. And think about, if you win, how am I going to contact you? I'm going to need some sort of name. So think about what name you're going to leave, because a lot of these accounts have fake names on them, and I would have no idea how to even contact you guys. So just think about how, if you were me, how you would want your comments to look like. Just give me a little information. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know a lot of you guys probably don't even know what I look like, because I'm not in a lot of the videos. So it's funny doing a little video with the camera in front of me. I'm not used to being seen on camera. I've come to realize a lot of you guys recognize my voice from the videos, because the last few trips I've been recognized several times just by talking to people at boat ramps and stuff. It'll give me the opportunity to do a few videos of what you guys actually want and how I can improve my channel for everyone out there. So this is the first time I've had the house to myself in a while to be able to make a video. I was planning on making a video before I hit 5,000 subscribers. But as you can see, if you click it on the video now, you can see it's over the 5,000 subscriber mark now. I talked to a few of my subscribers that I know personally, and I was trying to come up with ideas of what I should do. I want to do something for you guys. Every comment that I go down, that name is going to be put in the drawing. I'm not going to put all 5,000 subscribers in there, because I want to know who's actually watching my videos. I don't want someone that subscribed 3 years ago and is not even watching my videos now to be in the drawing. I want to know who my current viewers are, and people that are interacting and commenting are going to have more of a chance to win. So please, in this video, comment what you want the vote to be, and then in the next video, comment, like just put in whatever name you want me to put in the hat for you. That'll be the next video. This video, just give me your vote. So this video, just give me your vote. Do you want fishing stuff? You want fishing stuff like shirts, reels, buffs, you know, maybe a ruler, anything like that? It'll be worth up to $200. I know the biggest problem is going to be my viewers that are not local to here, and they would probably pick the fishing product because they can't really go fishing with me if they're on the other side of the country. But, you know, they might make an excuse to make the trip here. So, I mean, I'm trying to leave the option open to everything. I don't want to just make an assumption that you guys aren't going to want to fish with me. Some people do, some people don't. I get a lot of messages every day of people wanting to fish with me, so I figured this was a good opportunity to actually do it. I don't want to get too off topic, so leave your opinion below. Decide on your decision what you think is a better raffle to give off, as a fishing product or a fishing trip with me. I know a lot of you guys watch all the videos, so thank you, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.